This video demonstrates how to configure the device to access the internet through a cellular interface over a wireless link. The cellular interface on the device connects to cellular networks, such as 4G networks. By installing a SIM card on the device and completing the required configuration, you can enable the device to connect wirelessly to the ISP network. This provides broadband connectivity for enterprise branch offices and small to medium-sized businesses. Typical application scenarios are as follows. In environments where a wired link cannot be deployed, configure the cellular interface as the active WAN port to access the internet. In environments where a wired link is already deployed, configure the cellular interface as a backup WAN port to access the internet, improving network reliability. Before starting the configuration, read and understand the following precautions, and complete the necessary prerequisites. The SIM card must be installed on the device. If dual SIM cards are used, ensure that both are properly installed. Check that the No SIM card error is not displayed in the SIM card status. The SIM card must be activated, have sufficient balance, and support data services. If a private network service is purchased from an ISP and its SIM card is used, obtain the APN authentication username and password in advance. The cellular RSSI at the device deployment location is recommended to be at least -80 dBm. An RSSI below -100 dBm may cause dialing failures or unstable links. Choose Network Interface Cellular Network Port to access the configuration page. Select the zone for the cellular interface. Retain the default settings in which mode is set to routing mode and interface type to WAN interface. In the Dial-Up Config section, configure the SIM card parameters. Specify the SIM card for dial-up. If two SIM cards are installed, you can toggle on auto SIM card switching. When the RSSI of the active SIM card falls below the configured switching threshold, the device will automatically switch to another available SIM card for dial-up. The parameters, such as APN, authentication mode, account, and password, are used to connect to private networks. In non-private network scenarios, these parameters are typically not required. The parameter values must be provided by ISPs and should not be set arbitrarily. The SIM protection feature prevents unauthorized use of the SIM card. After it is toggled on and the SIM card is installed on another device, the correct PIN code is required for verification. If this feature has already been enabled for the SIM card on another device, the PIN code must be entered to unlock the SIM card when it is used on this device for the first time. Set dial-up policy as required. In scenarios where the cellular interface is used for backup connectivity and traffic costs are a concern, the on-demand option can be selected to reduce data usage. Dial-up is triggered only when the wired WAN port malfunctions or link detection fails. Set other configuration parameters as needed. Click Save. If the SIM card is configured in persistent mode, you can check the cellular interface information in the device panel on the web home page. Confirm that the interface has successfully obtained an IP address, the SIM card dial-up status is connected, and the RSSI is within the expected range. In a dual SIM scenario, you can manually switch between the SIM cards to verify that each SIM card can successfully establish a dial-up connection. If the SIM card is configured in on-demand mode, you can manually simulate an active link failure to verify that on-demand dial-up is triggered properly. If the cellular interface obtains an IP address, the interface functions properly. Thank you for watching. Scan the QR code on the left to provide feedback or share your suggestions about the video. Scan the QR code on the right to access product documentation on the Ruijie official website. Your support is the driving force for our progress. See you in the next video.